Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are running Zorin OS, you already know it's one of the cleanest and most user-friendly Linux distributions out there. It's fast and secure right from the start. But with just a few simple tweaks, you can make it even better, both in performance and security. Today, I'm sharing 6 easy, free changes that take only a few minutes each. No advanced Linux knowledge required. So let's get into it. First, let's discuss about the key points. First, turn on the firewall. Second, set up Timeshift for easy system restores. Third, disable animations to lighten the load. Fourth, keep your system updated. Fifth, install proprietary drivers when needed. And the final point, speed up the boot process. All of these are straightforward and completely free. Now, let's go with the first point, which is enable the firewall. Even though Linux is generally very secure, most distributions, including Zorin OS, ship with the firewall turned off. Enabling it is one of the first things you should do. Open the menu, type firewall, and open firewall configuration. Enter your password when asked. Then simply flip the status switch to on. That's it. You can close the window. Your system now has an extra layer of protection against unwanted network traffic. Now, let's move on to the second point, which is set up Timeshift. Timeshift is a reliable backup tool that lets you create restore points of your system. If something goes wrong after an update or configuration change, you can roll back to a working state quickly. Search for Timeshift in the menu and install it if it isn't already there. Plug in an external USB drive for the backups. Then open Timeshift and follow the guided setup to create your first restore point. It's simple insurance for your system. Now, let's move on to the third point, which is disable animations. If your machine feels a bit sluggish, especially on older hardware, turning off the desktop animations can help. This reduces the work your GPU or CPU has to do for visual effects. Open Zorin Appearance from the menu. Go to the Effects section and switch animations to off. The interface will feel snappier right away. Now, let's move on to the fourth point, which is keeping everything updated. This one is non-negotiable for both security and performance. Updates bring important security patches as well as bug fixes and improvements. Zorin usually notifies you when updates are ready. Apply them promptly. You can also open the software app, go to the Updates tab, and install everything available. Make it a regular habit. Now, the fifth point. Install proprietary drivers. If you are using specialized hardware, particularly an NVIDIA graphics card, the open source drivers may not give you the best performance. Open a terminal and run this command, which is sudo ubuntu-drivers autoinstall. After it finishes, reboot. You should notice smoother graphics and better overall responsiveness if proprietary drivers were available for your hardware. Now, Let's move on to the sixth point, which is speed up the boot process. One quick change can shave a few seconds of your boot time by skipping the network wait during startup. In the terminal, type sudo systemctl disable NetworkManager-wait-online.service. Reboot when convenient, and you will notice a slightly faster startup. It doesn't make the boot instant, but every second counts. Now, the closing. So, that's 6 practical ways to make Zorin OS faster and more secure without any complicated steps. Most of these take just a couple of minutes, and the improvements add up. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more Linux tips. Have you tried any of these already? Or do you have other favorite tweaks for Zorin? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.